Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating to Biometrics and Security, then Secure folder. You will sign in with your Samsung account. This links encryption keys to your identity. Once signed in, choose a lock method, PIN, pattern, password, or biometrics, and enable it so only you access the space. Make sure to grant any permission prompts and install Secure folder if the phone asks. After this initial setup, Secure folder is created and visible in Apps, and the notification shade, ready for the next step. Once Secure folder exists, add apps and files. Tap Add apps to install or import shortcuts, or move files with My Files for encrypted storage. You can set app-level locks inside Secure folder to require reauthentication for specific apps. This reduces risk if someone reaches your device. Configure notifications to hide sensitive previews and adjust auto-lock timeout to balance security and convenience. Make sure to enable Secure folder backup to Samsung Cloud so you can restore its contents if you change devices. To finish, test unlocking and opening apps inside Secure folder, confirm backups completed, and verify hidden icons disappear from your home screen. If you ever lose access, use Samsung Account Recovery or the Secure folder Restore option to recover data. These require the same Samsung account credentials. If backups are missing and you're locked out, avoid random resets. Contact Samsung support first, because a factory reset may erase Secure folder contents. One quick troubleshooting tip: sync and re-authenticate your Samsung account before attempting restores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.